You want to know the real truth behind all of this? Why some people act like their mission in life is to get under your skin? It's not just because they're bad. It goes way deeper than that. You're sending out a tiny signal, a small behavior you don't even notice, a signal that tells them, yeah, you can walk all over me. It's easy. And that one signal, it flips the whole game. But the moment you realize what you're doing and change that signal just once, your whole world shifts. Toxic people vanish. Good people respect you more. And the rest, they get confused because you're no longer that unprotected version of yourself. That's the moment you realize your power is finally waking up. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what that hidden signal is and how you can turn it off starting today. This is the thing 99% of people never figure out. But the ones who do, their entire life changes from the ground up. So stay till the end of the video. That's where I reveal the real secret. And trust me, once you understand it, no one will ever dare to walk over you again. 1. Stop turning every comment into a reaction. Here's your biggest mistake. Someone says something rude and you instantly react. Your face changes. Your voice shakes. You start explaining, defending, proving. And that's exactly what toxic people want. They feed on your reaction. When you get upset or angry fast, you're basically showing them, with one little sentence, I can mess up your whole mood. But imagine someone's trying to trigger you, and you stay calm. No arguing, no defending, just watching. In that moment, the game ends for them. You're not fun anymore. So what should you do? Next time someone says something that bothers you, take 3 seconds, do nothing, look at them calmly, then say, okay, all right, got it. No anger, no fear, no explanations. They get confused, and they usually back off. 2. Stop explaining every little thing to everyone. Weak people over-explain why they said something, why they did something, why they couldn't do something. The more you explain, the more guilty you look. From now on, try this. Because I chose to. That's it. No story, no defending, no seeking approval. If they ask, but why? Again, repeat it. It's my choice. Calm, steady, and short. And the people who get angry at that answer, they're the ones who want control over you. 3. Set consequences for disrespect. Here's the biggest mistake most people make. They take disrespect again and again without showing any consequences. When someone belittles you and you stay. When someone ignores you and you keep showing up. When someone breaks promises and you still make time for them. Their brain learns, I can treat you however I want. Nothing happens. You have to teach people that disrespect has a price. No yelling, no drama, just distance. Reply slower, be less available. Stop giving instant attention. Give them less of your time. Basically, when you don't respect me, you get less access to me. Do it once and you'll see the shift immediately. 4. Accept this truth. Not everyone will like you. As long as you fear being disliked, you're easy to control. People know you'll do anything to be liked. But when you finally accept, some people won't like me. And that's perfectly fine. You become free. Toxic people disappear. Respectful people come closer. If everyone likes you, you're not being real. You're performing. So choose. Do you want to be liked by everyone or respected by the right ones? Respect is worth more. 5. Show the world you're okay on your own. This is the most powerful step you can take to genuinely be happy by yourself. When someone sees you don't need them, their whole behavior changes because now they seek your attention, not the other way around. Starting today, don't chase anyone. Don't text first. Don't be the one who plans everything. Don't be the person holding every relationship together. Live your life. Do what you enjoy. Watch who actually puts in effort to stay. Toxic people fade. Real ones remain. In one sentence, pick one of these 5 and do it this week. Just try it once and watch what happens. Some people will respect you. Some will step back. Some will disappear completely. And that's the clearest sign that you're growing. This isn't just a channel. It's the place where you level up every single day. Hit subscribe and stay with me.